Let's transform boring Google reviews into eye-catching graphics that will actually grab attention and bring in new customers using Canva. First, head over to Canva.com and sign in or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, type Instagram post into the search bar to find the perfect template size for social media. Browse through the templates or start with a blank canvas. I'm going to pick this clean and modern template here. Now, let's customize. Click on the background to change the color to match your brand. Use your brand colors or something that complements the review you're sharing. Next, copy and paste your favorite Google review text into the template. Make sure it's easy to read and highlights the key benefits your business offers. Adjust the font size and style as needed. Now add some visual flair. Include star icons to represent the rating the reviewer gave you. Also, don't forget to add the name of the reviewer for authenticity. Finally, add your logo to brand the graphic, making sure people know whose reviews they are looking at. There you have it, a stunning Google review graphic ready to share on social media or your website. Experiment with different templates and elements to find the perfect style for your brand. Don't forget to use #CanvaDesign and #ReviewGraphics when you post.